Yes, I'm thinking that how do I install the Oracle database on my MacBook Air. So I Google on it, I search a lot of things, but there's so difficult stuff. I mean, if you want to install Oracle database on your Mac, you have to change your libraries file, you have to configure some of the system files. It's a difficult thing, but I'm finding the easy way. How can I install the Oracle database on the easy way? Okay, so what I have to do, the first thing is just go to the google.com from any browser. Okay, and then download the virtual box for Mac. Okay, so then click on the first link. Oh, sorry, no, not this link. Okay, here, and click on the OS X hosts. Okay, start downloading, but I'm going to stop this because I already had that. Hold on. Yes, and then after download complete, you can install that and go to this link. You can find all these links on my video description. Okay, so this is the link for a virtual Oracle database, and just click accept and then start download this Oracle DB developers at VM. But first you have to sign up in the Oracle account, because when you just click on this link, they're asking for login or authentication. So before going to this stage, go just create an account on Oracle and then sign in, and it will be automatically downloaded. It will be probably 7.7 GB file, and after download this file, sorry, so I will go to the download folder, and this is the file, .ova file. Double click on it and your virtual box automatically open. Just click import, agree. Okay, so it's going to install. Let's see what happens. Wow, it would take 3 minutes. Okay, wow, 1 minute 16 seconds. So this is the best easy way to install the Oracle database on your MacBook. For if you are a student, for practice, you can do that. It's taking time. I mean, 56, 58. It's almost there. So what is happening here is fetching all the data from the .ova file, and it's taking time. It's longer than enough. Okay, I think it's done now. Yes, done. Then double click. Here we go. So actually this is a Linux OS based on the Red Hat, as I told you, and you can also practice the Linux or Red Hat on this virtual OS. Okay, so here it is. So here you can use the SQL developer, the workspace, and or Oracle database, and also you can use from a terminal. It's slow, I don't know why. Yeah, it's slow. I think I need to restart because this is the first installation, or maybe I can reduce the swap memory or clean up some junk files. I just install this. Okay, one more thing, don't update this OS. If you update this OS, the graphical things and everything will be destroyed. So don't try to update these things. So like Red Hat, this was also using the yum repository, so you can install any packages from a yum repository. So install any package, but don't try to update, because they're going to give you uh, you know the Wayland graphical. Like now this is using the system D, but what happened? Hold on. So you can see here. So this is a Linux distribution, okay? So you can do a Linux and also the Mac. So so this is the actually the easy process for the student for practice the Oracle database. Okay. So thanks for watching, and please comment down there that what kind of video you want to see. For the next time I can help you better. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys.